Guys, Saion Gupta here, founder at 10x Coder Kids, and today's video is a little bit different. So exactly, my mom ordered a soup maker, and we are gonna unbox it today. So let's get started. Okay, so I got this for we got this for 7,500 on Amazon, right? This is basically our soup maker. Pretty cool. Okay, it was pretty easy to open it, and here it is. It's pretty heavy also, right? So here we have this soup maker, and uh, it is a 1.6 liter jar, 800 watts, high heating power of 800 watts. It makes soups within 20 to 30 minutes, and it has a simple use interface. So let's just open the seal tape and look at it if it's alright and everything. Okay. Okay. So we have some deep packaging. So here we have the power cord, and then we have thermocol, and we have our soup maker. Seems all good. There are a lot of options to make soups. Smooth, chunky, compote, juice, and blend. Lot of options. Pretty cool soup maker, and I really like it. I just am waiting to have some soup made from it. So thank you guys. If you like the video, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos.